Alright. Welcome to this channel. This is where we talk about how to make money online using various platforms. So today I want to just take you through one of the platforms that I've been using. I will not always share any platform before I test it first. So, and first and foremost, I would just want to make this disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. So please do your due diligence before you put your money in any asset or platform that I talk about. So without further ado, let's just log in to the platform. If you are new, you can just I'll leave my link in the description below so that you can join that link, and that link will take you to the registration where you put in your details and you do your KYC. This is one of the best platform that I've been using it, and just to be very truthful, I just want to show you. You see, this one is running, and I've been using it for the last around 11 days, but the platform has been there for over 1 year. As you can see right now, this trade is running, and this is for 24 hours. There are different trades. For when you come here, what you see is this one, this go for 4 hours. Then you see this one is also going for 12 hours, and this one is going for 24 hours. So with the first one, that is 4 hours, you can start with the minimum is 10, and the other one that starts with 12 hours, you can start 50 USDT, and the one that's run for 24 hours, you can start with 100 USDT. So depending on the level of your capital, you can just see where you fit in. So let me just go here. We have got this interface where you can see the coins, cryptocurrency, and you can see how everything is performing in the market. So they are using the bot to trade in this platform, so it make it easy even to trade this, remove issues like emotion, when you are trying to trade every day, reading the chart and trying to see if you entered at the right time. Sometimes you miss the market. This remove your emotion from the market. Fear, sometimes you come out of the market because of the fear, and it also make work more easier because you don't have to do a lot of technical analysis. So what you do is that you recharge. When you recharge, you come here and you select the means of payment. You want to pay using US dollar, euro, you want to pay using naira, using peso, Vietnam, you want to pay USDT ERC20, or you want to pay using TRC20, USDT TRC20. So usually I go with the USDT TRC20. That is more easy. You choose the amount that you want to put in, then it will take you to the contact address. You copy it and you go to the exchange platform that you want to use, or to the custodian wallet. Then you send your money into this platform. So once your money arrives, you will see it here. So right now you can't see any amount here because there's a trade that is running. Let me go there. It's a trade that is running. You come down here and you see the cube. You see there, this trade is running. So they are different. You can see this interface is different. On the top left side, you see icon there. If you click it, you come here. It shows you come here. When you go back, it brings you this interface. So let us go back there. So if you want to mine, this is where you mine. You just come here, you click, you see, and start mining. and you wait for it to mine. Then they show you the reward there. So you can use this platform to also to mine. You can invite your friend to mine or invest or trade every day. There are so many opportunities in this platform that you can look and find something that fit you. Yeah, okay, so you see, this is the reward that I've got. So it will be added to that amount, and so the nodes will be running just like that. It will be increasing as I mine. If the section is over, you do it again just like that, and you see 27.40, that is the amount that I'm earning, and it is also increasing as you continue to earn. So when you come to the rewards here, you come here, you see the rewards. These ones are in the process, and there are also some rewards that I've received. You can see completed one. So that is what you do. You'll be able to see the referral, the invite. When you want to invite, you just come invite. You copy this and send it to your friend. As they also make money, you are also making some percentage out of what they are making. So every time they trade, you are also getting something around with it. So I just want to see my previous history of the trading. This is how I've been trading using $100. As you can see here, the town that I've been doing trade. I started with 109 USDT, then it increased to 11, it increased to low, to 14, then it's to 16, then it went. See here, you see I made a withdrawal. That is why you're seeing it decreased. Then I trade again, I trade again, I trade again, and I trade again. I made another withdrawal, and you see I trade again. I was trading here, I made a withdrawal. So this is how you can see on the left side, the one you see in the red, those are the profit that I've been making. So guys, this is a minimum this is minimum risk platform. So you can see it gives usually 2.5 up to around 3, but usually it is 2.5% every circle of 24 hours, because I'm trading 24 hours. But if you are trading 12 hours, you have to trade 2 times in order to make a full day. If you are trading in the 4 hours, you have to trade for about 6 times to be one complete day. So guys, this platform is very just simple as such, and I just want to as I've just explained to you, you can just recharge and start making fresh money. So see you till then. If you have not joined, please I'll leave my link in the description, and you can join and start making money immediately. See you till then. Bye bye.